All right, here we're going to start round 2. So you've got the wagon wheel from round 1, and now we've chained 1, and this is the round where you will be half double crocheting in every stitch around here, and then you will also be placing front posts in the spaces in between too. That gives you the increase, and it is what makes the spiral. So you're placing your first half double crochet in the stitch with the chain here, right there. And then you are going to place the first front post half triple in this half double crochet stitch right here. And then you are also going to half double crochet in the next stitch also. So that's the first repeat right there. And you can see the front post falls in between the ones from the previous round, and it'll get you that spiral. So now the repeat for this one is half double crochet and then front post and half double crochet in the same stitch. So now that we've got those 3 done, the first time of the repeat, we're going to start again. So it's another half double crochet in the next stitch, and then you see there's a half double here from the previous round. That's where we're placing the next front post. And then in the next stitch right beside it, or right behind it rather, you're going to be placing the next half double crochet. So here it is from what your view will look like. So it'll be all half double crochets in this round, and then alternating here. So that is what round 3 will end up looking like. I'm going to pause it for a second so I can work the rest of the round, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have all of round 3 done now. So here is what it will look like. All of the front posts are alternating around, and then this is what your view will look like. It will be all half double crochets all the way around in every single stitch from the previous round. And you're increasing from 20 to 30 from round 2 to round 3. And so you've got your increases here. And what you are doing basically is when you half double crochet front post and then half double crochet, you're placing a half double crochet on either side of the front posts from the previous round, and then a front post goes in between. So okay, I'm gonna move on to round 4 now.